Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. An alias is a shorthand way to refer to a command or a set of commands in a shell environment, making it easier and quicker to execute frequently used commands. Aliases are commonly used in Unix-like operating systems, such as Linux and Mac OS, in the command line interface, CLI, or shell. Understanding aliases. One purpose: aliases can simplify complex commands, provide shortcuts, or customize command behavior. 2. Scope: aliases are typically defined in shell configuration files like .bashrc, .bash_profile, .zshrc, etc., depending on the shell you're using. Creating aliases. Basic syntax. To create an alias, you use the following syntax. Examples. Here are some practical examples of using aliases. 1. Basic command shortcuts. Example: shortening ls law. After adding this alias, you can simply type ll to list all files, including hidden ones, in long format. 2. Customizing commands. Example: a safer rm command. This will prompt for confirmation before deleting files, reducing the risk of accidental deletion. 3. Navigational shortcuts. Example: quick navigation to frequently used directories. You can now quickly navigate to your documents folder by typing docs or to your projects folder by typing proj. 4. Combining commands. Example: update and upgrade packages. This alias allows you to update your package lists and upgrade all packages with a single command update. 5. Using functions with aliases. Sometimes, you may want to create more complex behavior. In such cases, using functions is more appropriate, but you can still reference them with aliases. Example: a function that checks disk usage. Now, when you type do, it will execute the docheck function, which displays the disk usage of files and directories in a human-readable format, sorted by size. Making aliases permanent. To make your aliases permanent, you need to add them to your shell's configuration file. 1. Open your configuration file. For bash, nano/.bashrc. For zsh, nano/.zshrc. 2. Add your aliases at the end of the file. 3. Save and exit the editor. 4. Reload your configuration file to apply changes. Viewing existing aliases. To list all currently defined aliases, you can simply run #removing an alias. If you want to remove an alias, use the unalias command. Conclusion. Aliases are powerful tools that can greatly enhance your efficiency in the command line. By creating aliases for frequently used commands, you can save time and reduce the chances of errors. Just be cautious when changing the behavior of standard commands, as it might lead to unexpected results. Always test your aliases to ensure they perform as intended.